Hi, everyone. I'm just going to flip this around so you don't see me. Okay, so this is a screencast on how to use Google Meet, which is the platform that we'll be using in our classroom so that we can talk to each other. Okay, so in your classroom, you see that I have our first assignment, remote learning, and I tell you to watch the video on how to use the Google Meet. So what you're going to do is when you're expected to be at a class meeting, you can click on the link that I have provided for you, and then you will see this screen. Okay. When you have the screen come up, you're going to see yourself in the camera, but because I'm using my camera to screencast, it's not allowing me. That's why it says that the camera failed, but yours won't say that. You'll see yourself there. And then you can click it to be read so that you we won't see you. We'll just see your a circle with either your first initial in it, or if you've placed a picture on your Google email icon, then we'll see that. And then this is also the microphone button. I'm going to ask everybody when we first enter a meeting to make sure that this is clicked off. So see how it says turn off microphone? I can click it off and it will turn red, and that means I can't hear what's going on in your background. If we have a lot of people that are using their microphone, then we won't be able to hear what everybody's saying. So I'm going to join our meeting, and it's going to look like this. My camera's off, so I have my hostess symbol. That's my Gmail symbol. So that's what will happen if your camera is off. I want you to notice down here these three buttons. If you can't see these buttons on your screen, just click on the bottom of your screen and they'll pop up. This is the camera button. If it's red, that means I can't see you. If it's not red and when it's white, then that means I can see you. Over here is the microphone button. It's pressed white, so I know you can hear me. If I click it red, you won't be able to hear me. Okay, so I'm presenting now. I will be on your screens, okay? Over here, you have how many people in your meeting. So right now, it's just me, so it says one person in my meeting. When you have everybody in the classroom, you'll see who's in the classroom. There'll be a long row of pictures and names on this side. So I'll know which ones of you are joining the meeting and which ones are absent, okay? So, you will be at the top, so you can always click your thing pretty quickly. If you want to speak, you're going to click on your name, you're going to come up and you're going to unclick your microphone so that I can hear you talk, okay? If you don't want to talk into your meeting, you can go over here to this chat button, and this might be a little bit easier for us. If I'm talking and you have questions, all you need to do is hit this chat button and say, your question, or I have a question, and this is what it's going to come up like. And then if you send it to the meeting, it will come up here. And I will know what your question is and I can answer it, and everybody will, chances are if you have a question, everybody's going to have a question. So now you can toggle back and forth between the chat and the people. So here I am. This is what it looks like, and we'll have a ton of people down here. And you can click on different ones, like if their picture is up, you can click on them to see that. Just be careful when you're in Google Meet that you're dressed appropriately and like you would, and that you're not doing anything that you don't want people to see. Like, I don't know, picking your nose or something like that. No, just kidding. All right. So just be mindful that we can see you and to make sure you're appropriate when we're in a Google meeting, just like we're in the Google Classroom. And I think that's it. So I'm going to end this meeting, and the way you end a meeting or you leave a meeting, so see how I can't see my stuff? If I just click on the bottom of the screen, it pops up and then this little button ends the meeting. So I'm going to get out of the meeting right now. Okay, now I'm out of the meeting. And then if you accidentally leave the meeting, you can rejoin, or you can get back to your classroom. I'm going to do that right here. And that is how you use Google Meeting.